Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe, French teacher. This video is for class 6. Le ciel bleu et le parc vert. Video part 2. So let's begin. L'exercice, le ciel bleu, le parc vert. Continuation with the chapter now. We will be moving on to the topic that has been given over here. We have learned so far the colors, okay, and the verb, that is the aller. Il fait jour means it's day. Il fait beau, it's beautiful. When you are making use of the day part, how you are describing it, so you have to make use of the verb faire. So it means il fait jour, il fait beau, it is beautiful. Le ciel est bleu, the sky is blue. Dans le ciel il y a un peu de nuages blancs, means in the sky there are un peu means there are some bit, okay, a small portion of clouds. Nuage means the clouds, white clouds. Mais le soleil brille, but the sun is shining. Je vais au parc means I go to the park. Dans le parc, il y a des arbres et des herbes. Now in the park, what are there? There are some trees and some herb means the grasses. Dans les arbres, il y a des fleurs roses et rouges. Now in the trees, what do we find? You will find some pink and red flowers. Et des feuilles vertes and the green leaves. Feuille means the leaves, okay. Des papillons orange. Now as I told you, papillon meaning the butterfly. So there are some orange butterflies. Et jaune vol. Vol means they are flying. Yellow and orange butterfly flying. Des oiseaux violets chantent means the violet oiseau, the birds, they are singing. Now you can see here, as I told you, the adjectives of color, they always appear after the noun. So here every time whenever you see, there is like the feuille verte, okay, then the papillon orange et jaune, les oiseaux violet. So colors have appeared after the noun. The soleil se couche means the soleil se couche means it is now sleeping. Il fait nuit. We say now it has it's a dusk part, means it's evening now. It has gone to sleep. Il fait nuit means it is night. Le parc est sombre means it is dark now, okay. The silence est partout. Now how is the night? It's a silence everywhere, yes or no? So it's le silence est partout. You can see, you can feel the silence is everywhere. Tous les jours et en toutes les saisons means every day and in every season. Je vais au parc. J'aime le parc. Now even though means whatever the weather it is, that every day and in every season I like to go to the park because I like it, okay. Now here dit vrai ou faux, il y a des ballons dans le jardin. So it's faux because there are flowers or trees in the garden. Le soleil brille, vrai. La fille va au parc, vrai. You can see a fille, no? A girl, okay. C'est un mauvais jardin. Say a mauvais, it's a bad, okay. It's a can you see, do you find it's a bad? No, gardens are always good, so you feel the freshness over there. So the answer over here is 4. Clear? We have done with aller part. This also is done. Color part is done. Now we'll be moving on to the les saisons. Now in France we have, like in India we have 3 seasons, that is what, the summer, the winters and the monsoons, but they categorize into 4, and which are they? L'automne, that is the autumn. En automne les feuilles tombent means in autumn the leaves they fall off. Il fait du vent, and there is warm means what? It's wind, so there is some wind. Le printemps means the spring. Au printemps il y a beaucoup de fleurs. In the spring there are a lot of flowers. Il fait beau. So basically the printemps, the spring season, is very beautiful for them. They enjoy the printemps. L'hiver, en hiver il neige means in winters it snows. Il fait froid et la terre est blanche. In winter it snows. Il fait froid means it is cold, and la terre means the ground, okay, the what we say, basically the ground only. It's full of snow, so the color is bronze. Okay, now you will be seeing that every the seasons over here are masculine. Le printemps, it's not been given because le article is mentioning that it is masculine, so you have to know all the seasons in French are masculine. L'été, it's again masculine. En été nous allons à la plage, il fait chaud, le soleil brille. L'été means the summers. Okay, in summer what do? We go to the beach. Il fait chaud, it's hot. Le soleil brille, and the sky shines. Clear? Now the vocabulary: au printemps, in spring; en automne, in autumn; en été, in winter. Beaucoup de is 1 second, students. En été is summer, en hiver in winter. Beaucoup de is lots of. Dans le jardin is in the garden. Il neige, it's snowing or it snows. L'herbe is grass. La boîte is box. La craie is chalk. La feuille is leaf. La piscine, swimming pool. Le chapeau, hat. Le ciel, sky. Le papillon, butterfly. Le soleil, sun. Le tronc is the trunk. Le raisin is grapes. Tomber is to fall. Tous les jours is every day. Voler, to fly. Blanc, white. Bleu, blue. Brun, brown. Gris, grey. Indigo, jaune, it is like indigo. Jaune, yellow. Noir, black. Rose, pink. Rouge is red. Vert is green. Violet is purple. Marron, brown. Orange and orange. Okay. Excuse me. Now in English, for the dark red color we say it as maroon. Okay, but in French they find that the dark brown part is marron, so don't get confused. When it is dark brown it is marron, and when it is like brown it is brun. Clear in French? Okay students, so we'll be doing the next part with the exercise. Till then, au revoir.